welcome to the future of e-commerce. Today we are witnessing a massive shift toward agentic commerce, where AI doesn't just suggest, it sells. Imagine a customer chatting with ChatGPT, finding your product, and completing a purchase with a single click right inside the chat. This is possible through Agentic storefronts. It is a groundbreaking partnership between Shopify, OpenAI, and Stripe to revolutionize how we reach buyers. Before we dive in, let's look at the requirements. You need a US-based Shopify store, a Stripe account, and a professional OpenAI subscription. Catalog hygiene is critical. Accurate pricing, inventory levels, and variants directly impact how AI models rank and recommend your products. Think of structured data as the foundation. If your schema is clean, the AI can discover and present your items more effectively. Now, let's navigate the Shopify admin. Go to the Sales Channels section on your dashboard and look for the Agentic option. Click Install for the ChatGPT Sales Channel. This starts the handshake between your store's backend and the world of generative AI. You will need to complete the OAuth connection. This securely links your Shopify staff account to your designated OpenAI account. Let's talk about the Agentic Commerce Protocol, or ACP. This is the engine that drives instant checkout within the chat interface. By enabling the Buy buttons toggle, you allow customers to purchase without any redirection, drastically reducing cart abandonment. Optimization is key for AI discovery. Your Shopify feed connects to the Google Shopping Graph, which ChatGPT uses for real-time searches. High LTV customer data feeds into these AI insights, helping the model understand which products are trending and why. You can also manage your store through the ChatGPT connector app. Ask for inventory updates or draft emails using simple, natural language. Be careful though. Live operations like refunds or cancellations through chat have no undo. Always double-check your prompts before sending. In summary, Agentic storefronts offer unparalleled discovery, conversion, and operational efficiency. The future of commerce is here. Enable your Agentic storefront today and start reaching your buyers where they live, in the chat. See you in the future.
Welcome to the future of e-commerce. Today, we are witnessing a massive shift in how people shop online using the power of agentic storefronts. Imagine your customers interacting with chat, asking for recommendations, and seeing your Shopify products appear naturally within the conversation. This isn't just advertising, it's organic discovery driven by AI. We're moving from search engines to answer engines, and your brand needs to be ready. The first step is connectivity. Setting up your agentic storefront is simpler than you think, especially with the 2026 Shopify updates. Open your Shopify admin dashboard, you'll find the new agentic storefronts toggle under the sales channel settings. This is where the magic starts. Ensure your store is US-based and on an active plan. Once you enable the Shopify catalog toggle, your products become AI-aware instantly. The best part, you don't need third-party apps for this integration anymore. It's a native experience built directly into the Shopify core ecosystem. Now, let's talk about AI, or answer engine optimization. This is the new SEO. It's about being the most relevant answer for this AI. Traditional keywords are out, conversational. Descriptive titles are in. Describe your products as if you are talking to a friend about them. AI models crave rich metadata. Include specific dimensions, materials, and unique use cases. The more context you provide, the better the AI can sell. Don't overlook structured data. It's the language of machines. Well-organized data ensures your product specs are interpreted with 100% accuracy. Once the AI finds your product, we need to close the sale. This happens through a seamless checkout experience right inside the chat. Using the Agentic Commerce Protocol, or ACP, customers can pay instantly using tokenized credentials. No more tedious redirects to external websites. This reduction in friction is a game changer, often resulting in a 15% increase in conversion rates for early adopters. To keep growing, you need data. Your Shopify analytics will now show traffic specifically from AI referrals and chat-based transactions. By monitoring these insights, you can refine your AO strategy and double down on the products that AI recommend most frequently. The era of agentic commerce is here. Don't wait for your competitors to catch up. Optimize your catalog and own the conversation today. Start your journey into AI commerce now. Your customers are waiting to talk to your brand. See you in the future of retail.
Imagine a Shopify store that scales effortlessly and converts every visitor into a loyal customer using the power of artificial intelligence. The manual grind of writing descriptions and managing support is a relic of the past today. We unlock the speed of chat. In this guide, you will learn the complete setup to automate your business and reclaim your time for what matters most. Let's start with the foundation. Your Shopify dashboard is the command center, but we need to optimize it for AI integration. Next, we prepare chat. Using the GPT-4 model is essential for professional, business-grade writing that resonates with your brand voice. The secret to high-converting sales isn't just AI, it's the prompts you use to guide it. SEO. Keywords are your foundation. Watch as generic, boring product text transforms into irresistible copy that speaks directly to your customers' desires. By exporting your product lists and running them through our custom prompt workflow, we can update hundreds of items in minutes. Customer support is where most stores lose momentum. We're going to fix that by integrating an intelligent, 24/7 AI chatbot. By feeding your shipping policy and store info into the AI, it learns to answer like an expert member of your team. Observe this live demo. A complex question about international shipping is answered instantly, accurately, and with a human touch. Marketing is your growth engine. AI can generate high click rate subject lines and personalize emails for abandoned carts automatically. For social media, we use your Shopify data to create captions and add copy that perfectly match the aesthetic of your brand. Let's recap the action plan. Automate your descriptions, scale your support with AI, and hyper-personalize your marketing. Remember, the winning formula is AI plus human oversight. The AI does the heavy lifting, while you provide the creative vision. Subscribe for more AI e-commerce insights. Check the description for my exclusive prompt templates to get started today.
Let's build.